executive cannot have a hand in the impeachment. Walang role ang executive sa impeachment. Once impeachment complaints are filed, they have no choice. The House has no choice. The Senate has no choice. Kailangan nilang i-proseso ang impeachment complaint.
Gaano po kaya tayo kahanda sa economic impact po ng impeachment trial?
Wala akong nakikita magiging effect na gano'n. Basta patuloy yung ang ating pinaplano, lahat ng ating mga strategy tungkol sa investment, tungkol sa mga bagong structural changes.
May nagsampa na po ng impeachment complaint against Vice President Leni Robredo.
I won't allow. I won't.
Do you think, sir, may basehan po para ma-impeach nga po siya? What are your thoughts po?
Look, we just had an election. Guys, lay off. Let's stop it. Can do other things, but do not tinker with the structure of government. I will not countenance it. Elected yung tao. So, why do you have to sit just because he keeps on harping on me? Yeah, this is democracy. It's freedom of speech. Kakatapos lang ng eleksyon, bakit mo sirain bayan?